You're having interview block.
Dude,
okay.
I'm feeling what all the people I've interviewed probably feel like.
We'll just look here, okay?
Okay.
Anna, what's your advice to other writers confronted with a blank page?
My advice to them would be to search for the why, to understand why you're writing a piece and its relevance to the people who will be reading it, and to know your audience if possible, to try to empathize with them and to understand their needs, and then to identify what the emotion is that you want the reader to walk away with at the end of the piece. Ideally, one or two emotions.
Awesome. That was great.
Make it look good. Make me sound smart. Hello.
See ya. Bye.